2E0 UKH, are you on the repeater?
G1JSP, yeah, Chris, still not quite there, my friend, still not quite there, audio's a bit quiet.
Right, thanks for watching another video. In that clip you just saw, I was getting into the Corby GB3CO repeater from Dunstable Downs on the supplied antenna. It was about 60 miles, so it was a bit of a rough copy, but it did make the trip, and I was up on a high spot, so I was just sort of pushing it to the limit. And hopefully you enjoyed the thumbnail. I'll try to make that entertaining, so give me some credit for that. Now, I'm looking at these two radios. These are different colours. These are translucent, and I'll show you a bit more about these later. This is translucent amber, and this is ice blue violet, and very attractive looking. They're see-through. It's hard to show off the see-through case in the daytime, but I think you can just about see it. At night time, you know, the inside sort of glow up, which is pretty cool. So which colour do you prefer? I do like the amber one. It does look a bit different. So I'm going to be doing some, I'm going to be trying to get into some repeaters and stuff on the Uv5r Mini. So I know a lot of people are going to be asking what firmware are these new ones running, so I'll just show you that straight away. If I go to radio info, it's showing radio 100, firmware version 0.5, hardware version 1.7. So I think the hardware on the other ones was version 1. So I'm just going to see what repeaters I can get into on this stock antenna. This is a VHF one. I don't expect to get into that. This is 50 miles away. So I'm not getting into that. That's VHF. GB3CO, another VHF one. So I'm not getting into that. I know I'm in the car, but I'm going to use a mag mount in a minute. But I haven't had huge success with the VHF on the built-in antenna, but that's not surprising. And this is GB3CO. This is UHF. So straight away into GB3CO. 2E0 UKH on GB3CO. So let's put the mag mount on. Okay, so the antenna I'm using, I'll put it on the screen, the model number, but this is a tiny little Radiodity super magnetic antenna, which is sticks to the car very well, and it's actually really good SWR. I'll put that model up on the screen. Okay, so I tried to get into a GB3PI, nice long distance repeater, but nobody on there. Let's try this one. 2E0 UKH, trying on GB3EM, just testing out a brand new radio.
Mike 1 yes, it's sounding fine.
Yeah, thanks for that. I really appreciate that. It's probably one of my first few contacts on this one. I got it on a mag mount in the car. And just go again on your call sign and the location. This is Chris, 2E0 UKH.
UKH, Mike 1 Charlie India Zulu, Stephen Rugby. Yep, it sounds absolutely lovely. Mind you, I'm only listening to it on a little Bayo thing, which is attached to a large tri-band antenna. It's 270 and 23 centimeters antenna. But yeah, on this little Bayo thing, it's sounding absolutely lovely. So if it sounds all right on this, I think it would sound even better on the bigger radios. Back to you.
Yeah, well, that's really good. I mean, I'm on it. This is a Baofeng Uv5r Mini. You know, they're not very expensive. You know, you can't really expect any more So from one Baofeng fan to another, I think that's a success. You're sounding really good. I mean, Baofengs have been out 20 odd years now, you know. I was looking